and welcome back to my channel. My name is Renee and today we will be looking at doing another DIY, and I'm so excited to share this next one with you guys. It's super simple, it's super easy, and you might have already seen it done somewhere else, but I thought while this is the running trend, I'm going to give it a red hot go and see how it turns out and whether it is as simple and as easy as everybody says that it is. So for today we will be making a Raffia Mirror. This week's project is entirely Instagram inspired. My feed has been blowing up with Kmart hacks all around, and I'm so excited to be kind of putting my own personal little twist on it, using things that I already have at home to see if I can make this next project. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will be trying my best to release my videos every Tuesday, and maybe on special weeks I'll do more. So stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoy this video.
So the supplies I used for this project was a steel ring, some raffia, a round mirror, my glue gun and some glue sticks. So for step one of this project, I had to cut the raffia to size. Luckily, the way this raffia was wound ensured that I only needed to cut the one side in order to get my desired length. So that made my job of cutting quite easy and saved me a lot of time. So after I cut the raffia to size, I then just went ahead and put the raffia, or attached the raffia to the frame using a lark's head knot. After I attached the last string of raffia, I then went ahead and laid the frame flat on my mirror and sort of just made like these little dots of glue all around to make sure that the frame was stuck on, and then went ahead and applied glue to the entire outside of the mirror and made sure that not just the frame but also the raffia was attached to the mirror. For step 4, I attached scotch tape to the back of the mirror in order to be able to mount the mirror to the wall. After that, I just made sure to cut the raffia to a similar length, just to make sure that I get that circle as perfect as possible. And here's the end result. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you liked what you saw today, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.